Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making a video on trying out my sewing machine. Okay, so I already set it up and I'm just going to pick a stitch right now. So I'm going to use this little digital thing and pick a stitch, and I just turned off. Okay, so I'm going to pick a stitch. I'm going to pick number 3. I'm gonna pick number 3, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, now watch and learn. Ready, set, go. Wait, why don't it work? What? Oh, no wonder. Okay, after I put it down. Here you go. Okay, let's see result. I want this. Ugh. Where did it get stuck or something? Oh, I see. Because the needle's on there. Okay, and now you just take some scissors. I'm just going to use the scissors my dad gave. They're so cute! Baby scissors. Okay, and cut it off with that. Okay, and this is how the sewing turned out. It's really small. Yeah, then I'm just going to show you how I change my thing. So I'm going to do a different stitch that's harder, but I'm going to change my thing. Okay, so I'm going to pick one. I'm going to pick number 63. And I just turned on. What? Well, okay, so okay. It says I have to have N. So I find the one of these that says N, and I just found it. So if you see right here, it says N somewhere right there. N. And now you just change it. So to change it, this is what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to press this, and then it's supposed to fall off, I think. Let me see. Yeah, you're supposed to press this button right here, and it falls off. Once it falls off, you can change it. To change it, you have to hold it right there. Yeah, and put it right there. And I just changed it, and now I can do a different stitch. Okay, so hold on 1 second. Okay, so I'm going to do a different stitch now. So there. Okay, and oh my god. Okay, hold on, just let me pull this. Okay. This is so cool. Okay, so look at it. Let's look at it. It looks so cool. Oh my gosh! It's so cool. Look at it. They're flowers. So cool. Okay, so yeah. So I like the sewing machine. It's so awesome. Okay. And my gosh. I'm gonna change it back to the original. But I think they're called feet or something like that. I don't know. But I'm gonna change it back to the original thing. So I'm gonna just take this one off, put it back in the bag, and put this one on it. So yeah. And now I'm gonna put it to 0. Okay. And now I can turn it off. So I'm gonna turn it off. Okay. So I just made, well, I just tested my sewing machine. So it's like, I really like it, and it works really good, and it's really fast, and that's a good thing. So yeah. So I really hope you guys like this video. Please comment, rate, subscribe if you want to see more crafty and fun videos. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.